fuck about my face. Ho, if you ain't riding with me, get the fuck about my face. Say if you ain't riding with me, get the fuck about my face. Boy, if you ain't riding with me, get the fuck about my face. Hold up.
I can't trust myself, so I can't trust a nigga. Most these girls be phony, I can't love these bitches. Make my money on my own instead of taking loans. Pouring shots at all my shows, niggas smoking strong. The circle tight, but the click thick. Had my mind made up that we was getting rich. Get the fuck up out my face, nigga, give me space. Ain't familiar with no handouts, had to make a lane. The more you earn, the tables turn. Watch the homies fade and all the bridges burn. But I'ma keep it trillin', keep a blunt roll. This for the real niggas, time to let them know.
Let them know, let them know, let them know. I had to let them know, let them know, let them know. I threw your L's up, I had to let them know. If you ain't riding with me, get the fuck up out my face. So if you ain't riding with me, get the fuck up out my face. I say if you ain't riding with me, get the fuck up out my face. Boy, if you ain't riding with me, get the fuck up out my face.
You ain't riding with me, fuck about my face. If you ain't invested, suggestions in they place. Position like defining what's distant, far away. I'm persistent, keep an eye on the mission I display. That I'm all about progression, for that backtracking I can't go. That's the reason my new bitch shitting all on my old hoe. That's the reason my new raps shitting all on my old flow. And that's the reason my web piss shitting all in your promo. Since I dropped that heroin, they all want the verse. Killed them on their own shit, swear they all got a hearse. I enthrall, they in first, they appall, I disperse. What you call what falls from you work on the first. Nigga, that's payment for them days when I was rapping off in that basement. Fearful for my placement, giving my soul but still on that pavement. Now I be destined for greatness, and this shit to it like enslaving it. So if you ain't rolling in down when I'm molding it, please get the fuck on my face, bitch.
Let them know, let them know, let them know. I had to let them know, let them know, let them know. I threw your L's up, I had to let them know. If you ain't riding with me, get the fuck up out my face. So if you ain't riding with me, get the fuck up out my face. I say if you ain't riding with me, get the fuck up out my face. Boy, if you ain't riding with me, get the fuck up out my face.
Word on the street, I ain't worth nothing. Many square mile throwing money like honest. Word on the street, you spend your dollars on the hoe. She do what I say and I make dollars off the hoe. Money on my line, I can't click over for a bitch. My nigga ballin' hard, every quarter shooting bricks. I ain't even signed, hitting corners in the six. I was making plays, fuck niggas setting pics. Counting hundreds while I'm getting face. I'm making money while I'm getting paid. I just feel I had to let them know. If the money don't fold, you gotta let them know.
Let them know, let them know. I had to let them know, let them know, let them know. I threw your L's up, I had to let them know. If you ain't riding with me, get the fuck up out my face. So if you ain't riding with me, get the fuck up out my face.